to Africa. Subscribe to Lifestyle by RNA.
Hi Royals, welcome once again to the Lifestyle by RNA. In today's video, I'm going to share my experience at the homestay guest house at Inzuluzu. So keep watching and don't skip. Watch to the end. I would appreciate your comments at the comment section, and let's keep the comment section on fire. Enjoy. I arrived at the place very late. I was supposed to be there in the afternoon, but I got there so late because my driver delayed me on the road. And that story will be continued in the next related video of Inzuluzu. But for now, let's enjoy the process of how we got to the place itself. So on our way, I was very scared, okay? And in this video that you're watching, according to my tour guide, this water is a man-made water, like they created it themselves. And along the line, we got to where we got to the natural side of the river where you get to see the water. You get to see and feel it. So from this time, it wasn't really getting dark until in the middle of the river. It was so dark I couldn't even turn because I was super scared. Anyway, it was an adventurous trip, and I believe that all these were all part of it. And if you ask me again whether I'll go through this process again, I will tell you no, because I don't think I have that courage to do that. When I was sitting in that boat, all I could say was, oh God, please help me to get to the village safe and soundly. I don't want to fall in the water, because if I should fall in the water, how would I feel? Like, I don't know how to swim. So let's leave that one by the side and let's focus on what really happened. So in this video, my tour guide is named Kofi, and he was telling me about the interesting side of the place and all that, blah blah blah, which more details of it will be in the next related videos. Yeah, so guys, enjoy, and I'll come back again to tell you more about it. Food we were served. In Inzuluzu. So our guest house is our order. The pure water. As you can see, still on the water. Kudos to you if you've watched to this point. So this is my review of the plate of jollof rice that was served over there. Honestly, I've not taken jollof rice prepared with red oil, so it didn't really taste well. That's my personal review. It didn't taste really good. Yeah, thank you. At this point, you could tell that I survived to the next day despite the challenges during that night. um, when I got to the Enzulezu village, while sleeping, I could hear the noise of the water. Like, I could hear it, and I could feel that. Honestly, I didn't really enjoy my sleep. Although it's an experience that I'll never forget, but I did not enjoy the sleep. I had so much things running through my mind. It even got me more terrified that I couldn't even close my eyes for more than an hour. Like, after 30 minutes, I opened my eyes to check if it's it was that bad. It was that bad. I don't know. Your girl is so here, honestly. But I will entreat you to also have that kind of experience to also share to the world, because this experience is marvelous, and I don't think you have it anywhere except in Ghana, like Africa. So this was me when I was lying down quietly thinking of how I was going to sleep and survive. But yeah, and I did. I slept, but not really as much as compared to sleeping in my comfort home. But I've also not slept in a hut before, like a wooden structure kind of thing. So this whole thing was new. I enjoyed it though, especially when I saw the sunset. I enjoyed that part. I felt like, oh my goodness. I felt part of the people that have also slept in their house and also experienced what they've been experiencing for so long. Like, for so long. If I should stay in the place, I would say yes. Because the way that people live their life is so natural, and I would like to have that kind of natural experience. So enjoy until I come again. I had my night at Enzulezu Hawkstay. So for those of you who do not know, Enzulezu has a guest house. The village has a very nice guest house. So this is my room, and just one window here. I got here very late, so I had to book for a room to sleep. So guys, we take a day view of Enzulezu village. So now let's enjoy our sleep. So the homestay guest house have 5 bedrooms, 3 rooms and 2 outside. So 3 rooms in one building and 2 outside the building. So Royals, because I got there very late, I had a private conversation with the owner of the guest house. I couldn't video it because it was very late. But during the conversation, I asked him, what if a group of 25 people come around and they want to sleep over? How do they accommodate them? And he informed me that when such cases occur, what they do is that they create space in the room for extra beds. So a minimum of 5 people can sleep in a room. Yeah, so that is what they do when such things happen. And yeah, this was my view from my room. And I think in the morning when you wake up, it's so refreshing, and you don't experience that when you're in the city. That's morning experience. Oh my goodness. I don't think you ever experience it when you're in the city because once you wake up, sun welcomes you. Sun and noise welcomes you.
So here is another room. Here is another room. And yeah, home sweet is house. The best feeling ever. Sleeping on water, like I'm also a lady slapping. Sleeping on water. Guys, we are blessed. Like it's drizzling. It's drizzling here. Maybe we'll take a picture. Take a picture of us up there when we get down. Hey, I'm enjoying my stay here at Insulesu. Insulesu. Hello, hello, my friend. Hey, and Maria, and my little princess. Hey. Hello, 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 hello. Hey, my little baby. Hey, 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 hey. Ade. The sun is blessing me this morning. Don't forget to subscribe, like. Until I see you in my next video, it's bye for now. Peace.